Once you download the Midjourney bot and you've got it installed, the first thing I want you to do is type /settings. And I want you to make sure that Midjourney 5 here is clicked because it defaults to Midjourney 4. When you come in, it's going to look like that. What you want to do is have it like that. Once you've got that done, you're then going to type /imagine, and you're just going to type in what you want. So I've put in here a Facebook ad for active women's wear brand showcasing multiple products. See why the pictures of women in bra tops are there? But you could do an elderly lady with a red hat surrounded by grand being delighted at a laptop. Then you're going to just wait for a second. It's going to say waiting to start, and then it's going to generate the image that we were just talking about. So why did I do an elderly lady with a red hat surrounded by grandchild being delighted at a laptop? Because it's one idea I have for ads for me, for the AI mastermind, with a, if she can do it, so can you. That kind of thing. So there you are. An image that never existed in the world now exists. And it's given to me in like a cartoon style and 3 photo styles. Now check these images before you use them, because if I come up here, you see the faces of the kids on the top left image. It's used elderly people for the kids' faces. It does get confused. So you often have to go and say, no, I don't want it. Now, if you don't want that one on the top, you can use these buttons here, V1, 2, 3, and 4 to get variations. So I can hit V2 and get more variations of this top one up here.